Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Iksan. I am a student of General School 7 Nuban in the class 8. This afternoon, I'd like to make a presentation about living in a town or a village. Before I start my presentation, I have two questions for all of you. The first, which is better place to get a good facilities of education, in a town or village? The second, if you are a student and you want to get a good facilities of education, where can we get it, in a town or a village? This afternoon, I'd like to make a presentation about comparison of living in a town or a village. The first is facilities. I believe that we need vital facilities in our life. For example, health, education, entertainment, transportation, and others. We're going to compare them one by one. Firstly is facilities of education. In a town, we have a lot of school with complete equipment, and it's easy to get a good teacher. While in a village, they only have small schools without complete equipment, and it's difficult to get a good teacher. So for this, a town is better than a village. The second is facilities of entertainment. In a town, there are a lot of entertainment facilities. For example, cinema, theater, and town square. While in a village, they only have town square. The third is facilities of transportation. A town have a lot of public transport, for example, train, bus, and plane. While in a village, just have bus transport. Secondly, I'd like to discuss to you about the lifestyle. In a town, live in a town is expensive than a village, and the solidarity in a town is lower than a village, because people in a town always do their activities alone, while in a village, the villager do their activities together. The third, I'd like to tell you about the environment. In a town, it's difficult to get a good fresh air, and the scenery in a town just building and factory, while in a village they have a good scenery, for example, lake, mountain, and others. At last, I'd like to discuss to you about the job. In a town, it's easy to get a job because there are a lot of jobs. For example, we can be a teacher, doctor, and others. While in a village, almost everything be a farmer. Okay, to end my presentation, I'd like to conclude that a town is better in facilities and job, while village is better in environment and lifestyle. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.